More GCSE style exam style questions and answers. This is grades 4 to 9. Topic 1, fractions, decimals and percentages. Question 1, we simplify 7 over 8 multiplied by 16 over 21. Solution, multiply numerator and denominators like so. 7 multiplied by 16 equals 112, 8 multiplied by 21 equals 168. So upon simplifying 112 over 168, we divide top and bottom by 56, which will give us 2/3 as the final answer. Now a shop reduces a £120 item by 15%. Calculate the new price. So that's straightforward. The 15% of 102 is 120 is 120 multiplied by 0.15 equals 18. So we simply subtract 18 from 120, which gives us £102. Now question 3. This is grade 8 plus. A number is divided by 3 over 5 to give 20. Find the original number. Solution, let a number equal n. N divided by 3 over 5 equals 20. So n multiplied by 5 over 3 equals 20. And n equals 20 multiplied by 3 over 5 equals 12. So the answer is 12. Now indices in standard form. Question 4, simplify 3 squared multiplied by 3 to the 5 divided by 3 to the 3. The solution, 3 squared multiplied by 3 to the 5 equals 3 to the 7. Hence 3 to the 7 divided by 3 to the 3 equals 3 to the 4, which is 81. So the answer is 81. Now question 5, express this decimal in standard form. We move the decimal 4 places, so 5.6 times 10 to the minus 4. So the answer is 5.6 times 10 to the minus 4, which is that decimal expressed in standard form. Now this is grade 9, question 6. Simplify 16 to the 1/2 minus 1/2. The solution, 16 equals 2 to the 4. Which so 2 to the 4 minus 1/2 equals 2 to the minus 2 equals 1/4, which is the answer. Now algebra and equations. Question 7. Solve 3x minus 7 equals 11. Solution, 3x equals 18. Hence x equals 6. So the answer is 6. Now question 8. Solve 2y minus 3 plus 5 equals 15. The solution, 2y minus 3 equals 10. So because we've put subtracted the 5 across to the other side, which gave us 10. So y minus 3 equals 5, hence y equals 8. Grade 9, question 9, grade 8 plus. Solve x plus 2 divided by 3 minus x minus 1 over 2 equals 2. Solution, the common denominator is 6. So we multiply by the common denominator, and we combine the numerators, which gives us minus x plus 7. We multiply by 6, which in turn will give us x equals minus 5, the answer. Now we solve for 2x minus 1 over 3 plus x plus 2 over 4 equals 5. Solution, the largest common denominator is 12. So likewise again, that's going to be multiplied through, and we combine the numerator, which gives us 11x minus 2, and 11x minus 2 over 12 equals 5. Which gives us 11x minus 2 equals 60, 11x equals 62, hence x equals 62 over 11, which is the answer. Now expanding and factoring, question 11, expand 2x minus 3, x plus 5. Solution, 2x plus x multiplied by x equals 2x squared. So 2x multiplied by 5 equals 10x, minus 3 multiplied by x equals minus 3x, minus 3 multiplied by 5 equals minus 15. So we add 2x squared plus 7x minus 15, which is the answer. Now we factorize x squared minus 7x minus 18. Solution, Numbers multiplying by minus 18 and adding to minus 7 and minus 9 and plus 2. So x squared minus 7x minus 18 will factor as x minus 9, x plus 2, which is our answer. Now factorise fully 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Solution, multiply 6 multiplied by minus 10 equals minus 60. So find the factors of minus 60 that sum to 11 and 15 and minus 4. We split middle term. 6x plus 15x minus 4x minus 10 we group, so 6x squared plus 15x minus 4x plus 10, which leads to 3x, 2x plus 5 minus 2, 2x plus 5, and we factor. So our final answer will be 3x minus 2, 2x plus 5. Now surge, question 14, simplify the root 72 minus root 8. Solution, square root of minus 72 equals square root of 36 multiplied by 2 equals 6 root 2, and square root of 8 equals the square root of 4 multiplied by 2 equals 2 over root 2. So it will give us our final answer 4 multiplied by root 2, because we're breaking it down and getting a square number and taking it outside of the square root by square rooting it. Now question 15. Rationalise 5 over 2 plus root 3. Solution, multiplied by top and bottom by 2 minus root 3. So, well, you can see that it's just basically multiplying top and bottom by minus 3, exactly what it says on the tin, which gives 10 minus 5 root 3, which is our final answer. Now, a straight line graphs line through point 1, 2 and 3, 6. Find the equation. Gradient of 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 equals 4 over 2 equals 2. So we're using equation of the line, y equals mx plus c, y equals 2x plus c. So we use 1, 2. So 2 equals 2 multiplied by 1 plus c, hence c equals 0, so the equation is y equals 2x. Now grade 9, question 17. Line perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x plus 3 through point 4, minus 1. So the gradient perpendicular is equal to minus 2. So y equals minus 2x plus c. So minus 1 equals minus 2 multiplied by 4 plus c. Hence c equals 7. So the equation of the line is y equals minus 2x plus 7. Now question 18. Line parallel to y equals minus 3x plus 5 through point 4, minus 2. Solution, the gradient is minus 3. So y equals minus 3x plus c, which leads us to c equals 10. Hence the equation of the line is equal to y equals minus 3x plus 10. Now geometry and Pythagoras. A right angle triangle has sides 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters. We'll find the hypotenuse, which is simply c squared equals 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 64 plus 36 plus 64 equals 100. Hence c equals 10 centimeters. Now question 20. A ladder of 5 meters long leans against a wall with a base of 3 meters from the wall. What is the height reached by the ladder? So the height is h squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared, which gives h squared plus 9 equals 25. Hence height h squared equals 16, hence height equals 4 meters, which is the answer. Now question 21, grade 9. A circle of radius is 5 centimeters. We find the area of a sector with angle 72 degrees. Solution, the area equals theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So it's our theta in this case is 72 degrees, so we're just plugging that in. So it's 72 over 360 multiplied by pi, and our radius is 5 centimeters, which is r squared, so it's 5 squared, so we get 5 pi centimeters squared. Now probability question 22, a bag of 4 red, 5 blue and 1 green, what's the probability of drawing red? Well, drawing red is simply 4 over 10, 2/5, and the probability of it not being blue is 5 over 10, which is 1/2. Now question 23, 2 dice rolled, what is the probability of the sum equaling 8? Well, the solution to total outcomes of a dice of 36, the sum and sums of 8, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3 and 6, 2, which is 5 outcomes, so the probability is 5 over 36. Now question 9 is multi-step. A bag contains 3 red, 2 blue, 5 green. 1 ball is taken, then another without replacement. Probability that both balls are green. Now the probability of the first being green is 5 over 10, 50%, which is 1/2. Now the second being green is 4 over 9, so we multiply 1/2 multiplied by 4 9 equals 2 over 9, which is the answer. Now topic 9, worded problems. Applied grade 8 to 9. Question 25, a car travels at 150 kilometers in 3 hours. Calculate the average speed in kilometers per hour. Solution, speed equals distance divided by time equals 150 divided by 3, so it's 50 kilometers per hour. Now a rectangle has area 48 centimeters squared and length 8 centimeters. We find the width. Well, the width equals the area divided by the length, which is 48 divided by 8 equals 6 centimeters. Now question 27, a shop sells pencils at 20 pence each. A customer buys 15 pencils and pays £5. How much change is given? Our solution, the cost equals 15 multiplied by 0.20 equals £3. So the change is 5 minus £3 equals £2. Now question 28, a cylinder has radius 4 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Find the volume. So the volume is simply pi r squared multiplied by h, and our radius is 4 centimeters and our height is 10 centimeters. So we just plug in those values and we get 160 pi centimeters cubed. And that's the end of this short lecture on some GCSE revision. Please do like and subscribe.